Hello and welcome to the Uni World Tech. Today I am going to discuss how to use Solidify Modifier in Blender. This is very helpful tool to add thickness to your models, and we will be go through all option of Solidify Modifier. So let's begin with deleting this cube and add a plane. And you can see this is not a solid object with any thickness. Let's jump to the front orthographics and zoom it. You can see this is like a sheet, and I want to apply solidness of it. So let's add a Solidify modifier on it. Go to the wrench icon, add modifier, and select Solidify from here. So you can see Solidify modifier add thickness on my plane, and I can adjust this thickness here from thickness slider. When you can slide it, you can see change its appearance. When you go to the negative value, you can see it add thickness top of the origin point, and when you goes to the positive value, it allows the downward thickness to the origin point. And here you can see on the bottom of the thickness tab offset slider, this allow you to add thickness offset to the origin point. And when you go to the -1 value, it allows the bottom side of your origin, and when you go to the 1 value, it allow you to the top of the origin, and when you press 0, you can see it add thickness on both from center of origin. So this is Solidify modifier thickness and offset. And even thickness is a powerful button when you working on more complex shapes or models. It allows you to add some changes, bad changes in it. To disable the fill check mark, allow you to fill the solidify geometry, and only rim, when you select on only rim, you can see it's not fill the geometry, it's show only fill, not rim. And when you check this and also check this, you can see it show only rim. And here is vertex group. Vertex group allow you to add Solidify modifier on selected vertices or selected area of your geometry. So let's try it to add a UV sphere. Shift A and add UV sphere, and now add Solidify modifier, add some thickness, offset 0, go back, and you can see here is vertex group that I want to discuss. And let's jump to the edit menu and select some vertices from here. Enable on catch and press Alt to select loop, and shift to add more selected loops, and go to the object data property and add a vertex group, assign it, and go to the object menu and go to the modify tab. Now select vertex group that we create, select it, and you can see only apply modifier on selected area. And when you can hit this button, invert vertex group, you can see this is our selected vertices, and add some thickness or play with this. Normal tab allowed to flip the normals, and high quality normal to create high quality shape. And material allows you to add more color on solidified geometry. So let's delete this UV sphere, add a cube, shift A, and add a plane, and add a subdivision modifier on it. Add some thickness on 0. So we are working on materials. Add material on this geometry, red, and add one more for solidified geometry. Let's pause its green, and now we can see this is our plane and solidifier, both geometries, and now you can see this. Apply the green color on original plane and add red material to the solidify geometry, and if we goes to revert it and flip this normal, you can see, flip this, add rim. You want to add on rims, you can see. So this is the role of materials. So that's it for today's tutorial on Solidify Modifier in Blender. I hope this video helps you understand how to use all the options efficiently. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Blender tips and tutorials. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.